Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short stories of Mowlana Hazar Imam. After assuming the Imamat, Mowlana Hazar Imam visited several countries to take oath of allegiance, Bayat, from the Ismailis in 1957. When the Imam came in Kampala, Uganda, the Ismailis stood in a line and were taking the bayat. One person with his 2 years old son took the bayat, and when he went on, the Imam called him and asked, "You have a small boy. You have a small boy. Is he your son?" He most submissively replied in affirmative. The Imam again asked him same question, and he too made same reply. The person thought that the Imam asked him 2 times whether he had made anything wrong. He looked at his son and was ascertained that he was his own son. The Imam asked him for the third time, "Is he your son?" He said, "Of course, Mawla, he is my own son." Henceforth, the Imam did not ask him, and the person and his son also have gone. After completing the Bayat ceremony, the Imam departed from Kampala. On the other hand, that person came to his house and took lunch with the family and took rest on his bed. He thought again and again why the Imam asked him one question for 3 times. He asked his wife its reason. She said, "This is not our son. He is Imam's son." She related a story occurred a year ago in 1956. In 1956, the age of their son was about 1 year, who became sick so seriously that the doctors had given report of no recovery. The doctors told them to pray for their son as there was no chance of his survival. They applied many treatments, but in vain. When they were disappointed, they took their dying son and came in the Jamaat Khana at late hour, when there was no person. They put their son on the part wooden stand and implored before the photo of Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. They wept and wept in longing and said, "Ya Mawla, this is our son. Today we deliver him in your custody. You are now his father. Ya Mawla, you are our only support. You have given us this son and now we hand over to you. You give him health and get rid of his disease." The couple returned to their house with the son. No sooner did they enter than they found sudden improvement in their son. Within few hours he began to play. The parents were delighted beyond measure and thanked the Imam. Days and months passed till a year. They forgot that their son was the son of the Imam. As per their commitment made in Jamaat Khana in 1956, when it was the time of Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. When Mowlana Hazar Imam asked the person 3 times during Bayat in 1957, he claimed that he was his own son. But now in his house, he and his wife realized that both Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah and Imam Shah Karim al-Hussaini were the bearers of one divine Noor of Ali. What to do? Hazar Imam had gone from Uganda. In October 7, 1962, the Imam arrived in Kampala. This person came before the Imam with the son and apologized for his wrong commitment made 5 years ago. He said, "Mawla, this son had been surrendered in your protection. He is your son. You order whatever you wish for him." The Imam accepted, then handed over to him, provided he would give him best religious and secular education. Lastly, the Imam told, "If you will neglect in his upbringing, I will catch your neck in hereafter."